Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs, and this is their Moon Goddess Bath Bomb. It's relatively new to their website. And the fragrance notes are jasmine, sugar crystal, apple, and blackberry. I did think that it did smell sweet, but it was very faint. In my opinion, their bath bombs are never overly fragrant. So maybe a better choice for anyone that's sensitive to fragrances. I know that sometimes if they're highly potent, some people get headaches from that. Or otherwise, it's bothersome. But wouldn't have to worry about that with this company. But overall, their bath bombs are pretty moisturizing. And this one looked cool, dissolving in the tub. See various shades of purple coming off of it. And with this bath bomb, there's 4 different rings to collect that have moonstones. And they are plated with either 14 karat rose gold, 14 karat gold, or platinum. And you can look on their website and see what all those rings look like. And this one didn't even have a little container in it. It just was sealed up. And this is the one that I received. Triangle-shaped moonstone with some clear diamond-like stones going around it. And they do come with a code, but it never tells you how much it appraises for. It just gives you pearl points, which is the reward system. So I did get 100 pearl points for this ring, which is pretty typical. I don't think I've gotten any more than that. But that is what I have for you today. If you'd like to see more ring reveals, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.